Molly? Oh, yeah, you want to go to work? All right, push over. Push over. Oh, yeah, you love working. Yeah, you love working. I know you love working. You love working. Yeah, you love working. Yeah, you love working. I know you love working. Morning, guys. December 3rd, 2020. Today I got a call from a customer. He's got an old gas boiler down there. And I know he's got cast iron radiators in the house. I know it's an older gas boiler and it's got an expansion tank that has to be drained up in the ceiling. I've been there a couple of years ago. He wants me to go back. He's saying that the relief valve's starting to leak a little bit, so probably needs to drain the expansion tank out and check the burners, and maybe he said he wants to put a new thermocouple in there, which they only last a couple of years. They get burnt. He wants me to probably look at that. I think it might be a thermocouple. It might be a generator in there. I'm not sure, but I know I got to go drain the expansion tank out for sure. And told him that, you know, the way the corona is going on now, they got to stay away from me. Wear a mask and stay away from me. I don't trust what's going on. There's been a lot of people getting sick around here, so we'll try to get you some shots when I get there. Me and Molly are working again, y'all. Me and Miss Molly are working again. Oh yeah, we're working again, y'all. Me and Miss Molly. That's my working coupon. We're working again, y'all. Yeah, and then this is the relief valve there. Might have dripped a little bit, so we're gonna drain the tank, which is here. I think this one's got a bleeder in the middle there. Yeah, a bleeder screw. Alright, so we're going to shut this off. Shut this valve here off. It's a gate valve. We'll shut that off. We're going to drain the tank. This one's got a relief valve here too. Been replaced in 07. It's been 3 years. It's been 3 years since I've done it. So let me hook up a hose to this and drain this tank down. The pit over there. And I think this one's got a bleeder on the inside. I gotta take it out to let air in. I'll drain it. I'll let air in to drain the tank out. He's got an old system here with big velocity. And drain that tank down. Hopefully this valve holds. Yeah, because if not, this would be getting hot, and it's not, so we're good. Couple of flow checks there. should change that thermocouple. Wouldn't hurt to change it while I'm here. She's a little crusty there, we'll change it. Gotta make sure that it gets in there right properly. We don't want to cross thread nothing. I'll make sure that gets in there right, because we don't want no cross threads, right? I'll have to light the pilot again, but get something to relight that pilot with, and should be fine now. Runners are all nice and clean for the most part. I'll get my brush and just really not bad. Runners look fine. Just a little bit of sediment from up top falling down. Alright, See, the old one's getting a little crusty. He wanted to change it, see if it stays on. Yeah, pilot's staying on. Turn that to on. She should fire when we jump out the TT. Alright, so this is pretty much done. Oh, we shut this vent back off. That's a tube that goes all the way up to let air in so it can drain. This particular style. Every couple of years you got to drain these tanks out. Just how it is. Now we'll open this back up and it should fill. And it should have air in the top of that tank. This feeder is feeding. This is a relief valve combination. Feeder relief valve. The pressure's a lot lower now, so we'll jump on one of these controls. Turn the power back on. See if I can jump on one of these controls to get heat. TT to jump this out. TT, it's like calling the thermostat, right? Houston, we have ignition. We'll run it and we'll see what our pressure's going. Jump out TT. And that pressure's going to be a lot better now. It should be 12 to 15 pounds. It was above 25, so it was. We know the tank had to be drained. See, they're doing the laundry down here, which is not the greatest thing to be doing. Dust. Alright, so we're gonna call that good. A couple of fuses there. Good. Just pick up my hose and I'll get out of here. Let's go. Oh, there, Miss Molly. Oh, there, Miss Molly. Well, hello there, Miss Molly. What do you want? Did you miss me? Oh, I know, yeah, you missed me. You missed me. You missed me. You missed Daddy. I know you missed Daddy. You missed me. Yeah, you missed me. I know it. You missed me. Oh, yeah, I know. Yeah, I'm unresistible.